Imagine building the next viral app, designing your dream website, or automating tasks that save you hours every day. Sounds exciting, right? But here's the question. Which programming language should you start with to make that dream a reality in 2025? Let me tell you something. Picking the right language isn't just about code. It's about choosing a path that could redefine your future, and you're in the right place to figure it out. Whether you're 18 or 30, maybe you feel it. That sense of urgency to start coding, but unsure where to begin. Let me tell you a quick story. I once met someone who spent months learning the wrong language for their goals, only to start over and waste precious time. It's frustrating. But you're smarter than that. Because today, I'm going to guide you step by step through the best programming languages for beginners in 2025. And here's the kicker. Stick with me until the end, because I'll share the one mistake most beginners make and how you can avoid it. Ready? Let's dive in. Python, the all-rounder. First up, Python. This language is like the Swiss Army knife of programming. It's beginner-friendly, incredibly versatile, and used everywhere, from AI to web development and even game design. And let's be real. Who doesn't want to say, I'm learning the language behind Instagram and Netflix? Oh, and by the way, Python is so simple that your dog could probably write its first line of code. Okay, maybe not, but you get the point. But what if you're looking to build something more interactive? Hold that thought. I've got just the language for you. JavaScript, the interactive king. JavaScript, the lifeblood of the web. It's what makes websites come alive. Buttons that respond to clicks, animations, dynamic content, all powered by JavaScript. If you've ever wanted to become a web developer or create something people interact with, this is your golden ticket. And don't worry, learning JavaScript doesn't mean you'll turn into one of those tech bros who won't stop talking about blockchain at parties. Unless you want to, then by all means. Now, JavaScript is great for the web, but what if your passion lies in solving big problems? Keep watching. The next language is practically built for that. Java, the powerhouse. Let me introduce you to Java. Not to be confused with your morning coffee, this language powers everything from Android apps to massive enterprise systems. Here's the deal. If you're serious about landing a high-paying job or developing mobile apps, Java is your go-to. Think about it. The apps you use daily on your Android device could be something you build one day. Isn't that worth the effort? But what if you're not into big systems or mobile apps? Maybe you want to build fast, lightweight tools. Well, stay tuned, because the next language will blow your mind. C#, the game developer's dream. Gamers, this one's for you. C#. This language is the backbone of Unity, one of the most popular game development engines in the world. Imagine creating your own video game from scratch and seeing it played by thousands. Unreal, right? Fun fact, learning C# could mean you're one step closer to creating the next Minecraft, or, at the very least, the next Flappy Bird. But wait, what if you're not into games or mobile apps? Maybe you're aiming for something cutting edge. Hang on, the next language is futuristic. Rust, the rising star, Rust. This is the new kid on the block that everyone's talking about. Known for its speed and safety, Rust is perfect if you're into systems programming, blockchain, or even AI. Companies like Microsoft and Discord are using Rust to build the future. Here's the thing. By learning Rust now, you're getting ahead of the curve. Imagine being part of the next big thing before it even becomes mainstream. That's the kind of foresight that changes careers. Now, all these languages sound great, but remember that one mistake I mentioned earlier? Let's talk about it. Here's the truth. The biggest mistake beginners make is trying to learn too many languages at once. It's tempting, but it leads to burnout and confusion. Instead, pick one language that aligns with your goals. Start with Python if you're unsure, JavaScript if you love the web, or Rust if you want to future-proof your skills. Remember, learning to code isn't just about mastering syntax. It's about unlocking possibilities. You have the power to create something incredible, whether it's a website, an app, or even your dream career. So, what are you waiting for? Start today. Your future self will thank you. If this video inspired you, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our community. And let me know in the comments, which language are you starting with in 2025? Let's crush those goals together.